An artisan is definitely a person who is skilled, but more so it's someone who really drives passions and emotions into their craft.
For me, creativity and finding inspiration comes from playing with form, shape. There's a level of precision and detail. It really starts with the material.
At Monogram, we strive to create the best appliances possible. We wanted to give our owners the ability to elevate their kitchens.
I'm a great believer in handcrafted products. It's really part of the DNA of who I am, of my brand and the clothing I make.
The fact that these aren't mass-produced really adds a personal touch to it. It's kind of hard to get that nowadays.
I'm really thinking about how clothing is wrapped around the body. So when I was designing the Monogram panel, I started to think about how the different shapes moved over this platform.
We use only the most premium materials. We have LED lighting, hydrophobic glass, stainless steel accents, anything from the aesthetic you want to the functionality you need.
When I'm in the kitchen, I want my fridge to be as refined as my recipes.
Monogram really took the time to match the functional features with the superior styling.
The Monogram column refrigerator is elegant. It is so meticulously crafted. It's a hand-finished product, so it really deserved to have an equally beautiful handcrafted door panel.
Zach's door panel sets an inspiring standard for how unique the column refrigerator can turn out to be. We created a refrigerator column so refined,
I had to design a door panel to match. Monogram. Elevate everything.